Morning routine, 7 a.m. Up and at 'em. Hard service host, maintenance host. Heading over to do some bathrooms. Brand new, beautiful wood they use too, boy. They don't mess around, boy. I'm telling you. Some numbers, some lines. Park's closed. The loop is closed till we get all the numbers done, all the lines done. Paint numbers, guys. Paint them out. Loop is done, guys. All the numbers, the letters, the parking, the benches have all been numbered. 314, all the different numbers on the benches. Everything is done. Let's get on to the next project. Around this park, it's a beautiful park. The weather's been perfect today. Let's get undressed and let's get something to eat.
Boy. Oh, who did that?
Let's go potty. Yep. Over here. Good boy. Come in, right here. There.
I've got to see a man about a rope.
Oh, the whole works. That's right, guys. Got to get to work. I got the mask on while I'm talking to you. Just give a little heads up. Just, you know, see what we do all day.
Best way to get perfect. I love it. That's a good idea.
You can sweep them.
Oh, okay.
Get all the sand there on the curb, and then just throw it back into the.
Cool. Santa Rosa, empty spaces, get all the sand out.
Only empty spots.
Right.
If
Yeah.
people ask for you to do that, tell them you'll go there.
All right, boss.
All right?
You got it. Guys, Starboard Bow, you heard it. Going over to Santa Rosa, I'm going to sweep out some sand. That's a continuous job. The sand builds up on the spaces, you know, gets uncomfortable for the reserve. The guys, the reserve goes and reserve the spots. So we're going to go over to Santa Rosa, clean out some empty spaces with the sand and see what we can. Talking about sand builds up in the spaces and the water gets in, gets kind of chunky. So we're going to go ahead and clean that out and get it squared away.
What I found
go, 331 spotless, 308 and 309, 357. That's right, boys. That's the way I do it. That's completed. All the way down, new wood, new paint. Let's wrap this up and let's get on to something else. Around all the trash cans in the campsite, all 5 loops, visitor center, all like fire pit, all that good stuff. Alright, Bow, looks like we're going to blow some more weed-eating material. Your orders have been passed down. One of the things about hosting, guys, you never know what you're going to be doing every day. Especially if you're a maintenance host. Host, not a service host, a maintenance host. Service hosts, remember guys, service hosts. They are the ones that help with the front desk, the entry, help with all the campers, make sure the campers, you know, get what they need. If there's any problems, they can talk to them about it. Basically handle the campers. We handle all the camper cleanups. When they leave, the bathrooms, all the grounds, keeping, all that good stuff, painting, all that good stuff. And just keep everything squared away. You know, try and pass the time, work hard, get a little exercise, and then you'll have fun. Especially if you just go with the flow. Amphitheater, you know? Hello, that's the one. Cleaned the whole amphitheater up, weeded all the underneath the benches, around the visitor center. Now those bushes over there, we can't touch unless we call the Bird Society or whoever that is to make sure there are no little birdies nesting in that area. Other than that, she's looking good. The amphitheater is looking good. And I'm just gonna walk around, check it up real quick, and then see what's next from the boss. Next project, these 2 planters. Gotta cut all that stuff down. Let's get to work. calling it a day of weeding, blowing, sweeping, digging, shoveling. That's why I do it. Oh yeah, let's make a cucumber salad. Spaghetti for dinner. We got a little Prego flavored meat, some spaghetti, and some ground beef, 85% lean. But this guy over here who didn't help one bit again, got to take him for a walk. And then come back, and I cooked him a couple of straight up hamburgers. He'll eat a quarter of one of those or whatever. But then when we come back, Santiago, when we come back, we'll have some dinner, okay? You good for that? After we go for a walk? All right.